The next time you go to top off a master cylinder, bleed or flush a brake system, make sure that you're checking the service information for what type of brake fluid you need to be putting in there. We're going to find out more next.
This video is sponsored by ProDemand from Mitchell 1. Complete OEM and real-world repair information delivered in a single lookup. For more information and a free demonstration, visit Mitchell1.com.
In the past 5 years or so, many manufacturers have issued TSBs in regards to brake fluid and also brake fluid leaks at the master cylinder. What was the source of problem on the majority of these TSBs? Well, it was cited as the brake fluid that was used to top off the system or flush the system. Manufacturers like Acura and Honda noticed that if the customer used the wrong brake fluid, it might cause leaks long term. And even some of their own factory fills, they were having issues with. These TSBs cite a very specific brake fluid to use for the vehicle. For example, Chrysler, they specify a .3 fluid for just about every one of their vehicles. Why not use a .4 or a .5.1? Wouldn't that be better? Well, technically it's not, because the seals inside of that master cylinder and also the performance of the ABS system is calibrated to that .3 fluid. So if you use substandard or above grade brake fluid, you're going to run into issues with the performance of the system, which will result in leaks and issues with the ABS system. I'm Andrew Markel, and make sure that you look up those specifications for the brake fluid. Thank you very much.